In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Airtable data. Keeping a clean, current backup of your base is one of the simplest ways to protect your work from accidental edits, permission mistakes, or unexpected app issues. I'll walk you through a reliable manual export, show you what to look for in the base menu, and then cover optional automation and how to verify that everything you saved is actually usable. First, log into Airtable on a desktop browser and open the base you want to back up. Working on desktop gives you access to the full export options and makes downloading files straightforward. Make sure you have the right permissions to export data for that base. Next, open the base menu in the top left corner of your base. Depending on your plan, you may see an option labeled Export Base, which can export all tables at once. If you don't see that, look for Download CSV. The key idea is the same. You're creating a local copy of your data that you can keep outside of Airtable. If you're doing a manual backup of individual tables, open each table in the base, then use the View menu and choose Download CSV. Save the file to your computer and repeat for every table you want to preserve. A quick tip: create a dedicated folder for this backup and name your files with the date so you can tell versions apart later. Remember that CSVs contain your records and fields from that view. Attachments are included as URLs, not the actual files, so keep any original files stored safely as well. You can follow along in Airtable using the link at the top of the description to back up your data step by step. If you want continuous backups, you can automate them. Use Airtable automations or third-party tools like Zapier or Make. Set up a daily or weekly run that exports your tables as CSVs and saves them to cloud storage, such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Include the base name and a timestamp in the file names to avoid overwriting older backups and to make it easy to roll back to a specific point in time. Finally, verify your backups regularly. Spot check that the CSVs open correctly and that the columns and row counts look right. Every so often, test the restore by importing one of your CSVs into a temporary base, or by restoring a snapshot if your plan supports it. This confirms that your backups are complete and accessible when you need them. That's how you can safely back up your Airtable data and ensure it's protected against accidental loss. Thanks for watching.